Hi, how you guys doing? This is Rich here on behalf of Rich TV Live, and I have a very special pick for you today. And I know for a fact that this is a pick that you've never heard of before, you've never seen before, you probably didn't even know existed. And that's what I really enjoy. I like bringing picks first that no one's ever heard of before, no one's ever seen before, nobody knows. This is called Solo, SOLO, on the NASDAQ. Currently at 197 pre-market. It is actually up 3% pre-market. It closed at $1.91 on Friday. And it's Electra Mechanica Vehicles Corp. This is another electric vehicles play. And because Tesla has been such a huge winner, this is Webull, guys. I'm using Webull right here. If you guys would like to learn about Webull, I've got a link down below where you can get access to two free stocks just to join Webull if you put in $100 in your account minimum. As a Canadian, I can't get a Webull account, but I can use their platform for free. I just can't physically buy and sell or trade options on Webull as a Canadian, which really sucks. But if you're a Canadian and you want to get into Webull, you can still use the app on your phone and you can use it on your desktop. You just can't actually physically fund your account. Now, if you're American, you can fund your account and you can take advantage of this amazing platform, which I'm going to be using almost every day now to show you guys trends, charts, analysis. So as you can see here, Solo, the high was 674, which was in February of this year. Currently now at $1.97. Closed at 191, and the low was around 90 cents. Okay, so their low was 90 cents. They made a big run up to 674, and they're currently at 191. And I want to go through what Solo is. So this is their website. This is the Solo vehicle. Have you guys ever seen this before? Oh, these guys were on Shark Tank? I didn't even know that. See that? See, I'm learning from you guys. I didn't even know that these guys were on I didn't even know that these guys were on Shark Tank, to be honest with you. So Shark Tank obviously knows their stuff here. Let's take a look at this video. And it's crazy because this company has this new technology that very few people really know about. And let's see here. Tofino. Ooh. So they're working on the Tofino sports car for two. That looks pretty slick. This one will go 250 miles. The Solo only goes 100 miles. Wow, this one's even more powerful. Wow, that looks pretty cool. So these guys have a couple other vehicles coming out as well. But I wanted to bring it to your attention, put it on your watch list, and put it on your radar because, man, this is something that electric vehicles are the future. I mean, look at the Roadster. Wow. I want to see the video of this one. Yo, that car's sick, man. That car's sick. Yo, man. Electric vehicles are the future. Mechanica. Get to know this company, guys. I literally just found out about these guys, and wow, like, I honestly thought that, I pretty much thought that the only way to go was with Tesla and even NIO. Obviously, in Asia, you hear a lot about NIO, but I never heard of these guys. And did some due diligence, did some research, and look at this. A single passenger vehicle. It's a pretty smart idea. When you think about how many people are driving every day and they're not carpooling and there's only one person in the car, it's a pretty cool concept. It's a concept car. It's a pretty cool idea. It starts at $18,500. Like, the price point is insane for an electric vehicle. 0 to 60 in 8 seconds, top speed of 80 miles per hour. Your Solo accelerates your commute while reducing your environmental footprint substantially. Sustainability has never looked or felt better. So it takes 3 hours to charge it, 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. Yeah, you definitely get the best parking spots because it's so tiny. It's like a smart car. Except way cheaper. Way cheaper. Way cheaper. Way cheaper. Oh, wow. The definition of low maintenance. Your Solo has 99% fewer parts than a combustion engine, meaning significantly fewer opportunities for things to go wrong, spend more time getting where you want to be, and less time dealing with unexpected maintenance. Safer than a motorcycle, cooler than a car. I like that. Your Solo is rigorously tested and tested again, is being engineered to meet global motor safety standards for today and for the future. The details you expect and some you don't. Heated seat, vegan-friendly vehicle, Bluetooth stereo, rear view camera. Keep all the perks of your full-size car, but none of the upkeep and a fraction of the cost. Charge everywhere. What if you were charged your car the way you charge your phone? When it's not in use, it's charging. Free public charging is now a mainstay in malls, parking lots, and city-built stations. And it's easy to install a low-cost charge station at home. Look at this. Gas versus electric range. Annual fuel cost. You're saving about $891 a year. With your Solo, $70. Annual savings, $821. Wow. So you're saving a ton by using the Solo. Pretty interesting looking car. What do you guys think? Think it looks good? What do you guys think? Do you think this looks good? Love to know what you guys think about the Solo. Do you think that this is a stock that's going to do well? I'm going to show you something about this company that I really, really like. So I'm going to go into investors. Hey man, one thing I've known about Europe is in Europe, they have smaller vehicles, smaller cars. Everybody's focused on smaller cars, less fuel consumption, saving on gas. It's a big thing in Europe, and smaller vehicles are everywhere. I believe that that's the future for North America. As the prices for gas continue to rise, you will see more and more electric vehicles everywhere. Here in Vancouver, we literally see electric vehicles everywhere. Company overview. Electra Mechanica Vehicles Corp. is a Canadian designer and manufacturer of electric vehicles. The company's flagship vehicle is the innovative, purpose-built, single-seat electric vehicle called the Solo. This vehicle will revolutionize commuting, delivery, and shared mobility. The Solo provides a driving experience that is unique, trendy, fun, affordable, and environmentally friendly. Intermechanica, a subsidiary of Electra Mechanica, has successfully been building high-end specialty cars for 60 years. Let's take a look. Investor presentation. Let's take a look here. How's everybody doing today? Thank you guys for joining me here. If you haven't smashed the like button, please smash the like button. Comment down below. Share the video everywhere. Love to know what you think about Solo. Is this secret stock pick going to be a giant? I absolutely love electric vehicles. I think that electric vehicles are the future. I don't currently have one, but I want one. I've been looking at the new Tesla Cybertruck, but now looking at this, I mean, as a dad, I got kids. This might not be make sense for me, but as just like a little car to just like fly around town, it seems like a nice, cool, like extra vehicle. I think a lot of people are going to be interested in this. Single people, people without kids, people that are just commuting, even as a second vehicle, as a cheap vehicle. It almost pays itself with your fuel savings. Electra Mechanica is a Canadian designer and manufacturer of electric vehicles designed to revolutionize commuting, delivery, and shared mobility. The company's flagship vehicle is an innovative, purpose-built, single-seat electric vehicle called the Solo. Deliveries to customers are planned for 2020. So we are literally on the verge of sales. It is literally on the verge of sales. The Solo provides an exciting driving experience that is unique, trendy, fun, affordable, and environmentally friendly. Asset-light contract manufacturing model with strategic partner, highly experienced management team with significant beneficial insider ownership. They currently own 40% of the company. Key geographic locations: Vancouver, British Columbia, right here where I'm at, is the headquarters. Los Angeles will be their initial store, service, and distribution center. China is their contract manufacturing with strategic partner plus wholly owned subsidiary. This breaks down their corporate timeline. So we are really right now on the verge of something here. And I'd love to bring you guys picks before they explode. I'd love to know what you guys think about this one. Will this be a winner? Let's talk a little bit about the growing electric vehicles market. In 2018, global electric vehicle sales totaled 2.1 million. The U.S. increased sales of electric vehicles 81% in 2018. California continues to play an outsized role in growing the electric vehicles market, generating 50% of electric vehicle sales in the U.S. in 2017. I believe that the numbers must be similar here in Vancouver because there are so many electric vehicles here in Vancouver. From what I heard, Vancouver might be the #1 spot in the world for electric vehicles. By 2040, 508 million passenger electric vehicles will be on the road globally, accounting for over 30% of all passenger vehicles. Today, electric vehicles account for 1.8% of the shared mobility fleet, taxis, ride-hailing, and car sharing, growing to 80% of the shared mobility fleet by 2040. Electric vehicles emit 54% less carbon dioxide per mile than the average new gasoline car and offer notably lower operating costs. Electric vehicle battery costs are rapidly dropping, declining almost 85% since 2010. So this is the Solo, the Electric Mechanica's flagship electric vehicle. The Solo is a purpose-built single-seat electric vehicle providing a driving experience that is unique, trendy, fun, affordable, and environmentally friendly. The Solo features a 100-mile range, 80-mile-per-hour top speed, and very attractive price point, only $18,500. The price point is ridiculous. The price point is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, this is nuts. And considering this stock is where? Let's see. Oh, wow, they just hit $2.10, folks. Look at that! Look at that! You know what? There's only one thing I can do with this. Put it on a full alert. That's all I can do. All I can do is put these guys on a full alert because, once again, we brought you a pick before it exploded. We did it again. We brought you a pick before it exploded. It was at 197 before the market opened. We brought you the pick. It is now up to $2.10, up 9.96%. Once again, we brought you the winner. Let's take a look at the one-day chart. Look at its one-day chart. Look at the $2.12. It is absolutely flying. It is absolutely flying. Oh my goodness, we did it again. Oh man. I think we have to put it on a full alert, don't we? I think this deserves a full alert. We're putting Solo on a full alert, folks. Here we go. We did it again. We did it again. Thank you, Stock Gods, for our daily bread. And I think this is just getting started, folks. Put Solo on your watch list. Put it on your radar. We on a full alert.
Rich TV Live. You know it's a full alert, baby.
It's Bugatti Beats.
Love to bring you guys winners first, man.
Strike on these haters and the missile get you hit. Bow down, I ain't
So Solo is on a full alert, and like usual, we brought it to you first before it exploded, and that's what we love to do, is bring you winners, and I think that the upside is absolutely tremendous. I'm going to break down why, because I've been doing a lot of research on this company all weekend. So they're going to be launching coming up here 2020, around the corner, and they're going to be specifically focused on the California market, which I think is a great market to focus on because that's where so many Teslas are, okay? The Solo naturally solves many challenges that today's commuters face. Range. Solo's 100-mile range and 80-mile-per-hour speed make it an ideal commuter vehicle. Perfect for, just going to work and coming home. Perfect. Single drivers still dominate the commute. 76% people who travel to work by themselves in a personal vehicle. It's a good idea. How many people go to work every day by themselves, come home, and they don't need these bigger vehicles? They don't need to spend all that money on gas. So seats left open during commutes with standard vehicles, 3 to 5 seats are always left open. 16 miles is the average commute each way for work. They've created a car just to go to work and come back. That's what this is. The average cost to drive the same number of miles in an ICE vehicle when compared to EVs. Economical, competitively priced upfront costs are significantly less than other luxury EVs, electric vehicles, lower operating and maintenance costs than traditional ICE vehicles. Ease. Single commuter driving benefits, HOV lane access, that's huge. Navigating through traffic and parking benefits, amongst others. I think those are all huge benefits. Safety, enclosed with most of the comforts of other modern vehicles, yet safer than typical motorcycles. Definitely going to be safer than a motorcycle. Environmentally friendly. Solo drivers are supporting the environment. Fun and trendy. Solo drivers enjoy their daily commute while making a statement by driving something unique and cool. Yeah, it's definitely different. It's definitely unique. It's definitely cheap and affordable. And I think that's where you're going to get a lot of sales, is in the price point. As a company, we're targeting 3 primary market segments for our flagship Solo electric vehicle. Commuters, vehicles to be used for everyday commuting, delivery, ample cargo space makes the Solo an ideal fit for packages and food, among other items. Shared mobility, such as hotels or similar to Lime, Zipcar, etc. Look how small it is. Look at this. It's tiny. It's tiny. Top tier partnering. Manufacturing, asset light, and highly experienced. The Solo is being manufactured in China by a subsidiary of our industry-leading strategic partner, Yongshin Industrial Group. Here's all the media coverage. And you can see they're doing a strategic rollout in Los Angeles. Strategic rollout in Los Angeles. Electra Mechanica is focused on strategic rollout of Solo EVs in 2020, starting with delivery in the Los Angeles area, followed by the broader West Coast. Initial store, service, and distribution center in Studio City, California. The Solo is expected to resonate well with the residents in LA. Single commuter, driving benefits, parking benefits, environmental benefits, fun, trendy, unique, etc. Statistics have shown that the Los Angeles area is a leading location for electric vehicle adoption and a well-known commuter's nightmare. As a true global vehicle, the Solo will also be rolled out to other areas such as the EU and Southeast Asia. I see this being very popular in Europe. It's affordable. It's a small car. These are the types of cars that you see fly and do very well in Europe. 4.6 million daily Los Angeles commuters. 30 average minutes that commuters in Los Angeles spend in the car along during daily commute. 75% people commuting in Los Angeles that were alone in 2017. This is something I really like about the company right here. So the stock price currently at, let's take a look at it now. $2.10, up 9.95%. So it's already up based on this Recommendation, the average volume is 154,000 shares a day. Shares issued and outstanding are 37 million. Fully diluted shares will be 65 million, so a very tight float. 70 employees, headquarters in Vancouver, and was incorporated in 2015. They have a 40% beneficial insider ownership, 1.3% institutional ownership, 16 million in cash, and 0 in long-term debt. That's impressive to me. I like the fact that they have 0 debt, 16 million in hand, and they haven't even started selling. This is the management team and the board of directors. So hopefully I'll get a chance to interview the CEO and get a chance to learn more about this company. Solo, if you guys are in Vancouver and if you guys are watching Rich TV Live right now, give me a call. We'd love to get you on the show. We love electric vehicles here. We think that electric vehicles are the future, and we would love to be able to tell your story before you explode. That's really the key here at Rich TV Live. We love to talk about stocks before they explode. So as you can see, we did see them go as high as 214.5. It is getting a little bit of selling pressure right now. Right now, around 210, 2099, so just under 210. But they've made a nice big move up here today. On, what, do they have news? Let's see. Let's see the news here. They have news. ElectraMeccanica appoints Chief Financial Officer Bal Bular to Board of Directors. This is the news that is breaking, and I believe this is why the stock is moving right now. ElectraMeccanica Vehicles Corp, Solo, a designer and manufacturer of electric vehicles, has appointed the company's Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Bal Bular, to the Board of Directors effective December 6, 2019. Mr. Bular is an accomplished financial executive with over 25 years of diversified business, financial, and risk management experience with both public and private companies across various sectors, including technology, manufacturing, and transport. Mr. Bular brings expertise in financial and strategic planning, operational and risk management, regulatory compliance reporting, business expansion, startup operations, financial modeling, program development, corporate financing, and corporate governance, internal controls. Ms. Bular carries designations of Chartered Professional Accountant, CPA, Certified General Accountant, CGA, and Certified Risk Management, CRM. We are pleased to welcome Bal Bular to the board. Bal's extensive experience in both finance and capital markets, as well as her firsthand knowledge of our operations and vision, has proven to be a considerable value to the company, said Stephen Sanders, ElectraMeccanica's chairman. We thank Sean Grefford for his dedication and over 3 years of service as director of the company and extend best wishes to him as he pursues other personal and professional interests. I'm truly honored to have been appointed to the board of directors, says Bal Bular, Chief Financial Officer of ElectraMeccanica. Mobility is undergoing rapid change, and ElectraMeccanica is in the forefront of a disrupted industry with the unique Solo electric vehicle. I look forward to working closely with the board to represent our shareholders and drive long-term value creation. About ElectraMeccanica Vehicles Corp. ElectraMeccanica Vehicles Corp. Solo is a Canadian designer and manufacturer of electric vehicles. The company's flagship vehicle is the innovative, purpose-built single-seat electric vehicle called the Solo. This vehicle will revolutionize commuting, delivery, and shared mobility. The Solo provides a driving experience that is unique, trendy, fun, affordable, and environmentally friendly. Intermechanica, a subsidiary of ElectraMeccanica, has successfully been building high-end specialty cars for 60 years. So that news is circulating, and based on that news, the stock is up. It was up over 10%. It is now up 9.5%. Looks like some people are taking some of those profits off the table. which is totally understandable. Woo! Let's take a look at some plays. How about Halo Labs? How about just some Halo Labs, folks? Halo Labs up 10%. Let's go. Some Halo Labs. Woo! CGC is flying high on news of a new CEO, Canopy Growth, new CEO, and the deal is flying up 11%. Congratulations to everybody who's taking advantage of this move on Canopy Growth. Where's all those shorters now? There's a lot of people that have been shorting Canopy Growth. I wonder how they feel today. I think they're covering in a panic. What do you guys think? Woo! ADXS. Man, ADXS has been on fire. I got to give a shout out to Brent, one of our members. He's been talking about it. It is flying. Wow. What about Zoomaway Travel? Another one of our picks that we brought to you guys first. They're up 11%. They're at 10 cents right now. Unbelievable day so far. Picks are flying everywhere. Zoomaway Travel, all the indicators are pointing up right now. This is very bullish for Zoomaway. You can see Zoomaway Travel up 11%. So ADXS flying, Halo Labs flying, Canopy Growth flying, Solo flying, Zoomaway Travel flying. Here, I'll give you another one. Northbud. It's another little gift for you guys. Christmas is coming, and I'm feeling very good. You know, Christmas is coming. So here's another gift for you guys. Northbud up 5%. Another one that I'm watching very closely. What else is flying today? Anything else? What else is flying today? Acreage. Acreage is up 7%. All the indicators are pointing up. All the indicators are pointing up on Acreage, up 7%. Thank you guys for joining me live here. If there's anything that's moving that's up, please let me know so I can pull it up on the screen. But right now, I can see Afria's up 4%. Oh, just under 3%, just under 4%. I can see that Aurora's up 3%. I can see Curaleaf is up 2%. I can see Village Farms is up 4%. I can see Hexo is up 3%. I see Organogram is up 2%. I mean, almost all the top Canadian companies are up. Labs is up in the green slightly. Valens Growworks is in the green slightly. Facebook is now $202. They're up again. What else? Tesla's up slightly. Oh, Apple is slightly red today. What else? Shopify is up again, 3%. Wow, they're so low again. Now at $2.13, up 11.52%. And I just want you guys to remember who brought it to you guys first, okay? Dixie's up. Let's take a look at Dixie. Dixie. Let me add these guys to my watch list. And once again, guys, I'm using Webull. If you guys are in America and you'd like to get an account to do trading, I would suggest Webull. It's a great place. I have a link in the description down below. And if you put in at least $100 into your account, you will get 2 free stocks. And one of them could be priced as much as $1,400. Dixie Brands, I can see up 2%. What else? CanTrust. CanTrust up 1%. Look at this. I talked about IIPR being one of the biggest players yesterday. It is down right now. This could be a buying opportunity. I have some really, really big heavyweights that have been telling me that IIPR has a chance to go up 10x. We're talking about a company that has a very tight float, less than 12 million shares issued outstanding. They do pay a dividend. They are profitable. and they are essentially a real estate cannabis REIT, real estate investment trust. I think you need to put them on your watch list and put them on your radar. And the big news of the day today, in addition to Solo doing so well, which, I brought to you guys, Canopy Growth, new CEO, finally appointed, and of course, Canopy Growth is exploding on the news, now up 11.5% and shooting up quickly on this news because I think the shorters are covering in a panic. What do you guys think? I think the shorters are covering right now in a panic. Let's see here. Let's quickly look at this. I'm sure this news is everywhere. Here it is. Canopy Growth names Constellation Brands executive as the new CEO. Here's the breaking news for Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth has named a veteran Constellation Brands executive as its new chief executive. The cannabis company says David Klein, the chief financial officer of Canopy's largest shareholder, will replace Mark Zekulin effective January 14, 2020. Klein has been serving as the chairman of the board at Smiths Falls, Ontario company, which intends to appoint a new chair once he takes over as CEO. Zekulin is a founding employee at Canopy and served in a variety of roles, including president, then president and co-CEO, and finally as CEO after co-founder Bruce Linton was ousted earlier this year. Linton's departure came after Constellation said in June that it was not pleased with the company's financial results. Zekulin is expected to step down as CEO and resign his seat on the board of directors of Canopy effective December 20th. That's the big news, and based on that news, Canopy Growth is absolutely flying, and it's going even higher right now, up 12.5%. It is flying on this news. Where's all those shorters today? I wonder where all those shorters are today. Do you guys hear any shorters talking about shorting Canopy Growth today? Oh, man, it's funny, isn't it? Kyle says the MJ sector is green right now. Anything on my watch list? I like it. CVSI is up 7%. Let's take a look at CVSI. Wow, Canopy's just flying now up 13%. It's crazy. I see CVSI down. So, not sure what's up with that. But one thing's for sure is Solo is on fire today. Canopy Growth is on fire today. ADXS is on fire today. Let's take a look at the overall markets. So the Dow Jones is actually red. S&P 500 is green, and the NASDAQ is green. Take a look at the top gainers. Wow. THOR is up 169%. Insane. And ARQL is up 103%. Holy smokes. XBIT is up 82%. Wow. The stock market is trading like penny stocks. FTSV is up 59%. Wow. There's some stocks really making a move. Fate is up 43%. 44% right now. TGTX up 34%. Wow. Wow, there's a lot of stocks flying today, man. Holy smokes. Right before Christmas. Wow. Hang Seng is red. Looking at the global markets, looks pretty mixed. A little bit of red, a little bit of green. Take a look at cryptos. Oh, Bitcoin's been moving up 2%. We've been looking at the Tezos coin. Tezos coin's been doing really well lately. And I've been telling everybody that Bitcoin was going to make a move. I'm not surprised that it's going up because halving is coming and that is going to be a huge catalyst for Bitcoin. Look at Berkshire Hathaway. $334,000 per share. Insane. And ADXS is now up 20%. Let's take a look at Solo one more time here. Solo at $2.12 up, $2.11 up 10.5% right now. What else? CGC fighting up right now at $21. Indicators are pointing right up. The MACD's pointing right up, straight up. This is very bullish right now. Anybody who bought calls on CGC is making a killing right now. Absolute killing. So thank you guys for watching. I wanted to bring you guys Solo today. Obviously, clearly the big news too. Canopy Growth, new CEO. They are flying on the news, which is great news for the entire cannabis sector. And Solo. Here's Solo right here. As you can see, up 10.87% on the news. They also have a new chief financial officer that is being added to the board of the directors, Bal Bular, and the stock is up 10%. We're talking about an electric vehicle that, here we go. Electromechanic is a Canadian designer and manufacturer of the Solo electric vehicle designed to revolutionize commuting, delivery, and shared mobility target markets. The Solo is an innovative, purpose-built, single-seat electric vehicle that is unique, trendy, fun, affordable, and environmentally friendly. Industry-leading contract manufacturing and strategic partner, reduces production risks, accelerates production, and notably minimizes capital expenditures, asset light. Commercial production and delivery of the Solo is planned for 2020, with strategic rollout to customers in the Los Angeles area, followed by the entire West Coast. Strong macroeconomic tailwinds with a large, rapidly growing, and government-supported electric vehicle market. In 2018, global electric vehicle sales totaled 2.1 million. The U.S. increased sales of electric vehicles 81% in 2018. By 2040, 508 million passenger electric vehicles will be on the road globally, accounting for 30% of all passenger vehicles. That is a staggering number. Highly experienced management team with significant beneficial insider ownership. There is the new Chief Financial Officer, Bal Bular. And there's the contact details. Love to know what you guys think. Do you like Solo? Do you think this is a good price for Solo? I think Solo's price goes higher because in 2020, they're going to start doing sales. They got 16 million in the bank, no debt. I think once they do sales, you're going to see this stock really go up. And if you look at the 1-year chart, you can see, I mean, they've been as high as $6.74, currently at $2.11. That's over 200% upside from these prices. Love to know what you guys think. And love to know if you guys think that this is a big winner. Comment down below, smash the like button, share the video everywhere. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, bringing you the news, breaking it down, bringing you a new secret stock pick, an electric vehicle company that I know you probably have never heard of before, Solo, with a vehicle which will be a solo one-person vehicle. It'll be able to do 100 miles on one charge, which takes 3 hours to charge, and it'll go up to 80 miles per hour. It is designed to be affordable at $18,500, which will be affordable for pretty much anybody, especially single people without kids that just want to go to work and come home. This could be the future of vehicles, and I think it's going to be very popular in places like Europe, where they love small cars, and places like Asia, where they love small cars. Love to know what you guys think. What do you guys think about Solo? We brought it to you first pre-market. It's up 10%. That's just what we like to do. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you winners, and we bring them to you first. Solo up 10%. It was at $197 pre-market. I told you guys pre-market, it had a chance to blow. It's now at $2.11.5, up 10.73%. And I think it has a chance to go higher. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Share the video everywhere. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace.